recorded Corruption Czar. How everybody doing today? Welcome to live stream 57. You know what the topic going to be today? Is I went to the courthouse this week, do some, collect evidence. Because I went and find out my court date for my relay camera court. And I requested to record my court dates. And to collect manual and guidelines of employees. What do you mean by that? Before we do that, guess what you have to do? And at the Corruption Czar Network, we take an oath. And you know what that oath is? Is to, let's say if you're a judge, or a attorney, a city commissioner, a county commissioner, a police officer, a deputy down at the courthouse. I'm talking to you guys. I'm going to explain why I got the right to record in the courthouse. And you know why? You guys took oath. You know what that oath is? To support, defend, and protect the U.S. Constitution first. That's what everybody forget about in a relay camera program. Somehow they circumvent the Constitution, circumvent proper court procedure. What do you mean by proper court procedure? Let's go way down the bottom. Okay, whatever, we can all do the bottom. Then we're going to talk about court procedure. Like I said, the Constitution recognized two courts, civil court and criminal court. Now, technically, the relay camera program, okay, the relay cameras program is an illegal court. But the government, like the state, the county, and the city, make extra revenue in traffic court. Now, to enforce some of the say traffic violation infraction, you got to have some kind of rules. So they come up. The government came with rules, and what they forget, the relay camera program, the camera company with the legislator help wrote the rules. Well, what they do is they circumvent. They circumvent the law. What do you mean by circumvent? I'm gonna tell you something for you guys. Circumvent the law. Okay, and here's the laws, you guys. So you got the thing called the Constitution. And the Constitution is the state, county, and city cannot take away your civil or criminal legal process. That's what they're missing in the relay camera program. They circumvent that. Think about it. If you get a violation notice, a citation notice, an order of suspension, you're about to go to a hearing. A judge got to order a suspension of driving license. Judge had to order restrictions. That's the law. Somehow in the relay camera program, they circumvent that. That's why the relay camera program is 100% illegal. You're violating people's constitutional right and power. You violate state guidelines. Other thing is it violates Florida uniform traffic laws. Okay, because in Florida uniform traffic law, you have to identify the driver. That's proper legal. That's fall right there in legal stuff, guys. Let me go way down the bottom. I'll show you some things. So that's just simple procedure, guys. Look, evidence. The rules of evidence apply to all hearings for traffic infractions. Shall be the same as civil court. Okay, and look down there on B. Recording hearings. Any party to a non-criminal traffic case may record the hearing. Guess what? At the courthouse. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go way down to the courthouse. Okay, I'm gonna show you something, guys. I'm gonna head down there. I got over 100 slides. I'm using OBS software. I got over 100 slides. So we go up to the bottom, and I go. Hey, one. Take a look at this. Here's why I allowed to record inside the courthouse. Right here. This case right here. And when I talked to the security at the courthouse, the Tampa on Twiggs Street, they quit letting people take photos or videos inside the courthouse in 2008 until today. They call for a security reason. Guess what? Right here, it tell you we can record police officer, a security guard, anytime you want to in a public area, a public place. It's illegal. So their excuse, for security reasons, guess what? You're wrong. Then the other excuse is something to do with children, privacy law. Guess what? You go to a special place for that. In the general area, like the tag agency in the courthouse, it's open information. So they got no business had children in the tag agency to talk to somebody. Go to a different floor, a different office for that. We got to come to the right. Here's what the problem is. Every time you prevent me to record, I won't bill you guys $200,000. You violate my constitutional right. That's why I'm asking for a lot of money in my suit. So I'm going to show you something, guys. There you go. Right here. Why am I asking for a lot of money? I took a notice of claim to the city of Lakeland for $200 million. You know why? I took a lot of action. I go to the courthouse. I go to tag agency. I go in law enforcement agency. And everyone that refused to let me record. Everyone refused to give me information. That's what I said. In the red light camera program, they know proper procedures being made. Like I said, in the red light camera program, I call it a, I'll show you something, guys. It's vagueness. Right here. Everything they do in the red light camera program on their side, they're using vagueness. Vagueness. They make it up as they go. And that's why I want to record. That's why I want to record down at the courthouse. What do you mean? At the courthouse. Okay? Because I want to point out, I want to document it. Video, like if you get pulled over a cop, you go to jail, they video you in an interrogation room. So guess what? I'm going to sue everybody. Cause I ain't broke no law. I'm following exactly what uniform traffic laws state. A police officer got to stop the vehicle and identify the driver. Guess what? I'm speaking on behalf of all car owners, vehicle owners in the United States. You violate that constitutional right. You violate uniform traffic laws. That's why the scam is 100% illegal. Because the Fifth Amendment says you have to verify the right person. Okay? That's what you have missed. I hate all the attorneys go in front of the Supreme Court, can't figure this out. You have to verify. Then you have to, like I said, the civil court is like a collection court. You must serve somebody, subpoena somebody to court, the correct party. You must be the correct party to be in court. Okay? That's I think you guys missing this scam. So I'm going to show you something down here. I go back down the bottom. And there you go. Got too many videos. I put 4 slides here today, this week. Okay. Hang on. Oh, get close. Oh, they made a mistake at the courthouse. Look at this, guys. Courthouse. On Twitter. I followed the courthouse in Tampa, the 13th Circuit Court, on Twitter, and they took photos in there. And they tell us, the citizens, we're going for the tag agency. I want to record. We'll take pictures. So when I go to my traffic court hearing, I say, hey, Your Honor, the clerk gave me false information. The clerk would not let me. I requested why my driver's license got suspended without a court hearing. Why the restriction on my driver's license? What do you mean by restriction on my driver's license? Okay. I talked about it in the last video, a couple of videos about driver's license restriction. I got a different vehicle, and I went to put a tag on it and stuff. And they said they want a reinstatement fee. For what? See, that violates our constitutional right. You can't do this, guys. You had to go to court. Somebody had to take me, like the red light cop. When I go to court, when I go to traffic court, I'll ask the red light cop, how did you restrict my driver's license without a court order or court hearing? See, in the red light camera program, they process everybody, not due process. That's why the scam is 99.9% perfect. Because you fool, like I said, all these people, very few people can figure this out besides me. Very few people can do it. Very few people can. So let me go over down the bottom. Remember, judges, attorney, every 3 years, you got to take continual education classes. And guess what? I'm going to contact the Florida Bar, and I'm going to teach a class on document fraud, how to spot perfect scam. And I'll use the Relay Camera program as that workshop for you guys. So I'll show you how, like I said, every violation notice, citation notice, I'll train you how to pick it apart. What's wrong with it, okay? Remember, I put over 120 things wrong with the Relay Camera program. Maybe one other attorney in the country can figure that out, besides me, Corruption Czar. That's what I want to start the Department of Corruption, so I can fix everything in government. Because what happened in government, nobody allowed to fix anything. If they're making money for me, they're not allowed to fix it, correct it. And that's what I'm going to do in this Relay Camera program. I'm going to go shut it down, make them get the money back, plus damage reward money. Then the people like us, okay, hang on a second, I'm going to go up to the top. Okay, I'm going to show you something, guys. Hang on. It's for people like us who got put in jail. Remember, in the Relay Camera program, you don't pay the violation notice, citation notice, or the suspension, you only may spend your driving light with a court hearing. So, if you ever get pulled over by the cop, in my county, I may take you to jail. Guess what? You're entitled for $75,000 per hour being illegally detained. I'm going to get you that money. Okay? I'm going to get you that money. Look. See this here? I'm going to show everybody how to get your money. Okay? See what I'm talking about? So I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. Okay, hang on. Court procedure. Okay, here's the other thing. Everybody don't realize. The government. Look at this guy. He's the Secretary of, whatever it is, Secretary of State admit the government lie, cheat, and steal. And train them. You see what I'm talking about? In government, they train their employees lie, cheat, and steal. Now I want to record it so I can sue you guys and prosecute you guys. There's my evidence. Okay? So, I got a question for you guys. Hang on, I'm going to go all the way down. I got a question for you guys. That'd be a good question. I want to hear if you're on YouTube, okay, I got someone here. Oh, go back to this one. This is one of my Facebook pages, Corruption Czar Florida. How about on YouTube, Twitter, it's Houseman FL, Twitter, or Corruption Czar Florida. Leave me a comment about your red light camera experience. Because if you got a red light ticket, I can show you how you sue them, collect money from them. Okay? You want to know that? I'll train attorneys. I'll train, like I said, the attorneys for the Bar Association and continuing education. I'll do a workshop on that for you guys. Okay? I'll train law enforcement. Okay? The FBI, city, county, state agencies, how this can work. Remember, in government, you got a manual and guideline go by. Guess what happened? Somebody remember, when you write paperwork or anything, it benefit one party. Okay, remember, the Relay Camera program benefit all the government agencies, not the citizens, not the law-abiding citizens. All that about making money. Because if it's about safety, you don't collect money. You just send out warnings. You see what I'm talking about? See, that's why they flat out lie. You say you lied. If you want cameras, okay, don't find nobody. Or put people in jail, or put restriction on like me. I had to get a tag or a driver license. They want me to pay a restatement fee when I done nothing wrong. So that's what's wrong with this scam. So it's about 15 minutes in, and I'll give you stuff coming up I can't talk about, because I've been in the courthouse talking to people, and I got a winnable argument at the Supreme Court level, they say. I can beat them. But the key is, I got to work my way through the back channel, because they will shut it down. But I'm trying to get money out of it for everybody. I'll figure that out. And then I want to prosecute it, try not to prosecute these people, but I got to, somebody had to go to jail over this. So we still got to negotiate on this stuff. So all I want is my settlement, people. I'll go away. Simple as that. So what you gonna do when corruption czar help you guys? Thank you for tuning in, and please leave a comment. I'll answer your question for you on the next video. Okay? If you put your video, check this out. If you're on Facebook, I'll take a picture like that, screenshot it, and put your face on my YouTube video. Okay? So let's do that. Okay? You want to be on famous one day? Because my channel gonna blow up one day soon. Okay? So you can be famous too. So let's get out of here. Thank you for watching that video. What you gonna do when corruption